Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Well, Bitcoin halving has happened already. Many people were expecting the price to surge like crazy, but it hasn't happened. So we can expect some volatility, and then the price can pick it up again and level out, and then we can go all the way to a new all-time high. What's the new all-time high and when it's gonna happen? Well, nobody can predict accurately, of course, what's the new all-time high, but for sure it's gonna be over 100k this time, because we already have like 72k or so, an all-time high currently. So we can expect easily to go 1.5 or 2x the price of Bitcoin. So we can easily talk about over 100k. I will be conservative here. Over 100k can be manageable, it can be feasible within the next few weeks/months. When is it gonna happen? Well, that's a polarizing topic over here. Well, many people do believe that we will have to follow the same exact kind of cycle, and we'll have to wait a few months until the price picks up again and go all the way. I do believe that this cycle, it's slightly different. I'm not saying it's completely different, but I would say it's slightly different because we had an all-time high just right before the halving. So we can predict, or we can expect, that the price can possibly go within the next probably couple of months or so, starting into a very bullish market. If you look at Bitcoin over the last year or year and a half, you will find that Bitcoin has been going quite well. Actually, we're talking about over 500% or so increase in price. If we compare it to the price in October or November 2022, we were talking about Bitcoin hitting almost 7k or 8k. Now we're talking about 10x the price of Bitcoin back then. So over the last year or year and a half, we're seeing an incremental increase of Bitcoin price. So it has been doing well. It still can do better, but I would say if you're already in a very profitable position, it's good for you to start entertaining the idea of taking some profits once Bitcoin reaches a number that you're comfortable taking profit at. I mean, it differs from person to person. It differs from someone who's analyzing the market with technical analysis and someone just following his gut feeling. It's just completely up to you. Me personally, I would say around 120k I can take some more profits. If you haven't already taken profit in the last few weeks, then probably it's advisable to, it's just wait for a while. The price will definitely go up again, and then we can expect some volatility. And once Bitcoin hits 100k, this is a round number, and of course that's a very big psychological milestone for Bitcoin, because it's a round number. Many people who were betting against Bitcoin haven't even imagined that Bitcoin will reach 100k. So it has, and it will. I mean, I'm gonna say it will, and then we can take it from there. But you would also need to figure out what to do with your crypto profits after you cash out. You just you just don't leave it lying around in the bank. It will depreciate in value, and that wouldn't really be the smartest move, I would say. So try to think about real estate, try to think about some stocks, try to think about starting your own project. Try out things, be adventurous, try as many things as you can. Some of them will win, some of them will fail, it's fine. Keep trying until you figure it out, until you do something you're completely comfortable doing and you're finding your passion in. But crypto wouldn't be the only source of wealth. You shouldn't put everything in one basket. You shouldn't really bet on crypto 100 or 1,000,000%. That's going to be the only way to go. No, as you can see also, Nvidia, the stock price of Nvidia has gone over 800% or so over the last few months alone. So you can see that there are some options as powerful as cryptocurrency, but you have to be careful and you have to do your own studies. By all means, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. But I'm just advising you to educate yourself, keep learning, keep exposing yourself to information, and that exposure will just, it will widen your horizon to more opportunities and more chances to look in some weird projects and some weird profits in completely mysterious and unexpected ways, whether it's stocks, whether it's investing in vintage collectibles like watches or furniture, or even I know people who are investing in carpets, like antique carpets. Nothing for me, but that's a way, and apparently they're making good profit with that. So there are infinite ways to make money, there are infinite ways to invest your money, and you just need to be willing to accept the fact that you can win sometimes, you can lose sometimes, but if you lose, don't take it personal, don't bash yourself up. It's just gonna be fine. You know, get up again, dust yourself off, and try again. Try something else. If you fundamentally believe that there is one way or one direction you can go and you can succeed, of course you can keep trying until you figure it out and it works out. But generally speaking, things can be only done through trial and error and taking risks. No risk, no fun. And for crypto, I do believe that it's going to be a bright future for crypto within the next few weeks / months, and then eventually we will hit an all-time high, and then with the price, I'm not going to say crash, but we will have a major correction in the market, and that would be the perfect point for you to cash out, probably a little bit earlier than that. And of course, next videos I will be trying to figure out what to predict for Bitcoin price, and we can also look at the charts and try to do some technical analysis, although I do believe technical analysis right now for Bitcoin is not really the best way to go, because the volatility will be much bigger than any technical analysis and some unpredictability in the market, and many big whales in the market will try to manipulate the price. So you have to be careful, and you have to also adjust yourself and be flexible a little bit around the volatility that's definitely going to happen within the next few days and weeks. And with that, I will leave it here and see you next video. Till then, bye bye.